Hey everyone, this is Lisa from TRW, and in this video I'm going to show you how to resize an object proportionately to exactly the dimensions that you want. Basically, you can set your dimensions and go. Now this is something called the scale function in Silhouette Studio. This is useful because you can take the guesswork out of resizing an object and you don't have to worry about your ratio getting thrown off. So if you want to learn more about the scale function, just keep on watching. So here I am in Silhouette Studio. Now I have this example in here, so you can see I have my logo. Right here it tells me towards the bottom it's about 7.5 inches wide. I can use this little box, resize it, and kind of go from there. So if I wanted this to be about 5 inches wide, if I did it this way, I would have to kind of like keep extending until I got close, and then kind of, gotta bring it back a little bit, you know. So it's never fun. So I can use the scale function of Silhouette Studio to resize a design to exactly the same dimensions that I want it to be. Now that is going to be found under the transform panel. It's going to be on the right side of your screen, and you can click on there, and then it's your second tab in the transform panel. So you can see I'm going to click on this little arrow, and then we have our scale dimensions. Now one thing to note, you can access a similar function, a scale function up here, using the quick access toolbar. Now this is going to be the same thing that I'm going to show you on the right side. It's just quick access, so you can use it that way if you'd like to as well. So let's say we want to go over and we're going to jump to the bottom and specify dimensions. This is what you're going to use it most often for. So you're going to go over, and I'm going to do it wrong real quick. We're going to go over, if we set it to 5 inches wide, check it out. Do you see how that's stretched out? Now that's normal. So what just happened is, if you look over on the scale panel, you see this little lock here. So that means lock your ratio, your proportions. So if I went over, did that lock, and did 5, then you can see it resized the height to match the width that I put it there. Now 9 times out of 10 you're going to keep that button locked, because if you're resizing an object you want it to look the same. Now if you ever want to unlock it, a lot of times I will use that if I'm drawing a shape and I want to set it to a certain size. So let me go over, draw this rectangle, and I'm going to click on it, and let's say I want this to be 3 by 5. Then I can go unlock it, and we can do 5 inches wide and then 3 inches tall. So now I have the exact dimensions. So a good use for both of them. Either one that works is good for you. Now let's say you have an object and you just want it to be a percentage of what it is before. So you can go over here, click half, so you can click on it first. You can scale it down by 50%, or you can even bring it up by 300%. So you can kind of see how that goes over there. So that is a really quick overview of the scale tool in Silhouette Studio. It's really useful. It helps you resize your design to exactly what you need it to be, and it takes, again, all the guesswork out of resizing. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to us on YouTube, and leave us a comment below. Let us know what you think or what else you want to know about Silhouette.